And welcome to the Introduction to MS Project 2013. Today we are just going to look at some basic options and views that exist within the MS Project. So when you open the MS Project, this is the view you should see, and quite a few templates that you can use. If you need to, I generally like to just start with the blank project. When you click on the blank project, you will see the view that you have the Gantt chart area here, you have a task list, and we have Gantt chart and timeline. I generally, when I start the project, I like to see the tasks. So this is the view for tasks you can add, and just you have all the formatting options, some quick options like linking tasks and delinking them, and intent the tasks. You have quick access to views, the different kind of views that you have. Then if you go to the tabs, you have a resource tab, which is for your resource maintenance reports. My favorites is where you have a lot of different options for reports. Project is more of options for the entire project, so you can change the working time, the holidays, you can add the holidays, you can add some project information, start date, end date. You can have a baseline for it, or if you want to update a project, you can update the project. And then the next is the view. This is where you can apply a lot of filtering in groups, again very important when you want to present things for a large team. And here you have the task usage, where you can see how much task is being used and what is being done. And this is probably some add-ins if you want. Formatting is, well, it depends on what view you are in. For example, if you go to reports and then you go to one of the reports here, and then it kind of goes off, so it's mostly conditional. And then you have your usual options of saving as, save. And one of the key things is the options section, because it kind of opens up a lot of features. So you can give your username, what is the date format that you want, what's the default view that you would always like to see. In display section, you have the dollar, whether your currency here it's Australian, so AUD. And this is one of the things that I use most, is the schedule. It discusses hours per week, hours per day, days per month, and also what is the work entered. It is generally days. So this was the basic view. Now let's look at a project that we recently had. And if I open the project, this is the project. I've used it in my examples. So if I go to resource and say I go to if I go to resource and I click on team plan, this is team planner, then you have the resource sheet. So this will tell you what are the different resources. Just a note that the team planner is only available in the professional version. I'm not going to go through that, but it's only available in the, it's a good option for if you want to do a bit of leveling and see where your resources stand. And then in terms of reports, you can just play around. You have the project overview, which will show you what the project is, where it started, and that was the reports. Then we go to the project, we'll just select the Gantt chart, and then probably go to the project. You have the change working time, you have the project information section. If you can go to the statistics, where it has the current baseline duration and all other things. And if you can go back to view, you have a task sheet. So basically these are the options that you have within the MS Project 2013. This was the basic. Thank you.